Yo.
It's here, dude.
Oh my god.
Don't say nothing, don't say nothing. Yo, oh, I can't believe this.
Dude.
For Heynelm.
Dude, bring it inside. Dude, what the hell did you even order?
Dude, this is the package I've been waiting for like 3 months from the dark web.
Oh, shoot.
Let's go inside. Okay. Why is it opened?
Okay, I don't know. That's kind of sketchy.
I don't know why they did that.
Ooh, Amazon.
Yo, everyone.
What's up?
I'm filming a video and I have the package right here.
From Amazon? What did you get? What package? You got something for us?
You ordered something to my house?
Yes.
Yo, you got some nerve, bro.
Bro, all right. For everyone that is just tuning in, I actually ordered this about 2 months ago.
2 months?
Yes, 2 months ago.
Amazon doesn't take that long.
But this is a different type of Amazon. Because
No.
this is like, it's like a mystery box. But it's I picked the Paranormal Activity mystery box.
No,
Oh my god.
So I don't know what's in this box as of right now. The box came open, so yeah, let's.
What do you mean it
But
came open?
What do you mean by paranormal?
Wait,
Paranormal is like ghosts and
have
stuff.
you ever seen like the movie Paranormal Activity?
Yes.
Have you ever seen like The Conjuring?
Yes.
That type of paranormal.
Why are you
like-
ordering stuff like that? Where does
Why?
this box come from?
This box came directly from.
Don't say the dark web.
I feel like it did came from the dark web, but there's like a bit more catch to it. We just have to open to see what's
Open it,
inside.
let's see.
Why is it open?
I don't know. Ask William. The minute we opened the door, it was open.
open.
So they probably took some stuff.
I don't know. I hope everything's in that I ordered. I mean, it's a mystery box, so I don't know if there's gonna be any missing stuff or not. Yo,
What if they just
so you guys ready?
Okay,
Ready.
go.
Oh my god, that smell.
What
What
is
the hell?
Maybe you
What's
don't
in there?
smell it?
Oh my god, dude.
it? Ooh.
What the hell is this?
Oh my
Oh.
god.
What is that?
Hey,
She's
look
looking
it's
at
like
you.
Me.
What is this?
She's looking at you. She's looking at you.
Yo, okay, remember, this is a Paranormal Activity box.
But why
That
she
means
like-
there's something going on with this. This could be probably
She's
haunted.
like broken in the back. Like it's open.
So yeah, guys, this is the first artifact that we got out of the mystery box, and it's opened by the back for some reason. Yo,
What is that?
Wow, you
could
shouldn't
this be
What is
money?
that?
you shouldn't be touching that.
Dude,
Could this be money?
imagine it's worth like millions of dollars.
Imagine
It's a
that painting is
jackpot.
worth. I mean, remember, this is, or it could be haunted.
Look at the face she's making. She's going like this.
Oh.
What does it say?
Okay, I'm looking over here. It's
Read
saying
it.
Who
from.
writes like
it's
that?
it's saying I don't know.
It's like a little kid.
It's saying from the dark web. Address 12 Ave.
Oh my god. Hey, look.
Okay, so
Why you ordered this stuff?
okay,
bro?
all right. So if you guys didn't know, the dark web is a place that guys should not play around with. It's serious, and 12 Ave is like the main place where all the dark web stores are at.
And that he knows like shopping from all the time.
Yes, that's where I got this box. And there's a note that I haven't even read. I'm gonna read it out loud for all of you and the viewers.
Go.
So
Do you
let's see,
understand that?
dude. It's English.
Yeah, but it's like weird. Like
Come on, read
the
it.
handwriting.
I don't know, Edgar. You're.
It's 12 Ave, bro.
I'm gonna read it. Okay, so it says, all these artifacts have been part of a paranormal haunting.
Oh my god.
Okay, my buddies, I think you should stop touching that now. I think you should stop
Okay.
touching that. I think you should stop touching that now.
For real?
All right. Part of a paranormal haunting. Okay, so all the artifacts. Okay, and the people who had these are now dead.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
I need to clean my hands.
You need to put holy water in your
I
hands.
put holy water on my hands.
Okay,
Continue.
I'm gonna continue for the viewers and you guys because this I'm in shock right now, guys. Drop a like right now if you guys are enjoying this video so far. So and the people who have had these artifacts are now dead. You ordered this secret box, and now these artifacts are now yours and belong to you until you are dead.
Oh my god. What? Wait, belong to you right now.
To you.
What? To you.
I ordered them. Clear their mind.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Good luck sleeping at night. Oh my god.
Okay, no.
And yeah, what did you
Dude,
do?
what the heck?
Okay, I'm gonna keep reading. I have to continue. Heynelm, that's me. If you guys didn't.
I'll do the.
What? How do they know your name?
Clearly,
Yes.
okay. When I put in the order, they know my
You put your
name.
real name?
Did you-
Why do you do that?
Edgar,
They got your info now.
Edgar, and he put your
What's wrong with you? Now they got the address and your real name.
Okay, that's
They're gonna steal everything. Social, everything.
I didn't know it was this serious, guys, but now I know this is real serious. Okay, now it says, Heynelm, that's me. If you experience any paranormal activity, please call the Warners and they will help.
Oh my
People
god.
from like the spirits and the Conjuring.
Those are the
Conjuring.
people from The
The
Conjuring.
lady and the man.
A signature.
What is that? What?
What is this?
Ha
Ha ha ha ha ha ha ha.
Oh my god, bro. This.
What else?
I don't know what
Nice,
You know they always
man.
get you with this.
You know?
Okay, alright, guys. As you guys know, this could be real, this could be fake. We don't know if this is real, so I say we just continue unboxing everything we have in here.
Dude, this is from dead people and it clearly says that it's haunted.
Dude, this could be like a note, like somebody trying to mess with us.
I know. How much did you pay for this?
I paid, it's a mystery box, so I paid $500 for
Oh my god.
Oh, they love getting me, bro.
it. Yeah. They have a
Now
great.
you probably gotta pay the Warners to take whatever
Yeah.
spirits. Come
No,
on,
you guys
bro.
Don't touch
No,
this anymore.
No,
I don't
and
even want that in
Who
here.
wrote that letter?
I don't know who wrote this letter. It's coming from the dark web.
So you're touching it. You don't know if it has bacteria. You don't know
They
what
were from dead people.
I don't want
Alright.
this box here.
Okay, let's just start
This is
opening
where we
this.
eat. This is where I eat. And you have that on top of my stuff.
I will contact the priest and come. I'll tell him to come in here and put holy water.
Okay, well, just let's get this box
All
over
right,
with.
guys.
What's the next
I'm
item?
sorry, you guys. I know you guys are nervous too, just like me. We're all nervous here. I think we should just continue unboxing and just see what happens. All right, so right here we have.
What is it? What is that?
What is that?
It's a voodoo doll.
Oh my god. You know,
It's a voodoo doll.
Get away from me.
Maybe it's him.
don't touch it.
It's a voodoo doll.
Let me see.
Don't touch it.
touch. Oh my god.
Maybe
that's
it's
dead
him.
people.
Because it's Heynelm ordered it.
Look
Maybe.
at all the spells.
Here, do you?
No, I don't want to.
Ah, Edgar, what the hell? No, I was just Frankie. That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
It's not you.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
Why did you move your hand?
What are you talking about? What?
Guys.
Look.
Ow. Okay. Whoa. What the hell?
You see?
You see?
It probably took a little bit.
Whoa, yo, stop! This is creeping me out.
Edgar,
Just
okay,
stop.
no, that's not something to play
Just
with.
stop, for real. Just stop. Listen. Stop! Yo, what the hell?
I'm gonna keep it. Heynelm.
Yo, this is creeping me out right now. Yo, stop! Edgar, stop! What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Bro, that's
Guys.
for real. That's kind of funny, bro.
Guys, whatever you do not mess with these type of
Edgar,
things.
what if we burn it?
Yo, stop, bro!
right
It's
there.
He wanted
It
to
has
get
my-
waxed. So if we burn him, he's
Yeah.
gonna have no hair.
Yo, stop! We gotta. This is serious.
Okay, let me hold it for you.
No, you just twisted my neck. What if you would have done it harder? You would have broken my neck.
Maybe you should have done 360.
Oh my god,
Oh my god, you guys.
You guys would have
Is
all
this
been
a-
charged.
okay.
You guys would have all been charged with murder.
This-
No.
no.
Guys, comment down below if you want me to burn the little.
Yo, you want to do it? I'll tell you right now if I feel it.
Oh my god.
Your
You
hairs.
feel it?
What the hell was that?
You smell it?
Oh my
Smells
god.
like hairs.
Wait, but why did it do that? Like such a big spark when you turned
You
it
want
on.
to do it again?
No, like for real. Like why did it do that?
Do you feel it? You smell the hair?
Yeah, it does smell kind
These are all
of.
spells.
Really?
Smells?
No.
Look.
This is real, dude.
Protection spell.
Okay, you need a spell for protection.
Okay, we don't need that one.
Okay, Edgar, you gotta stop.
Okay,
playing
I'm gonna
with these.
stop. Okay, guys, you guys want me? Okay, let's see if they want it.
Okay, all right, guys, comment down below right
And
now.
put a thumbs up if
Put
you
a
want me.
thumbs up,
Come
yeah.
on. Okay, wait. I'm
They-
gonna wait.
they
for
haven't done it.
They haven't done it yet.
All right, this is
Count
is-
it. Count. Do the
All
countdown.
right, I'm gonna give you a countdown. So subscribe with
And I'll burn.
your finger, all right, and like this video. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Stop! What are you doing,
oh, I went in deep, guys. Look.
dude? It takes effect to kick in after a while.
Okay, put it back in the box.
What the hell, Edgar?
Minnie,
What?
I burned them.
What the hell, dude?
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
Okay, let's not do that no more.
Okay, give me this.
All right, for real, stop. No, listen, no more playing around. Guys, this is insane right now. We just found a creepy painting and a voodoo doll that is somehow linked to me. I should have never put my name under this order. That's probably how they got it linked
Or
to
giving the voodoo doll to Edgar.
Or giving the voodoo
Yeah,
doll.
yeah, you leaked my address.
Edgar literally got me burnt, guys. As you can see, right, her burns. I think we should just continue unboxing, and I feel like I'm gonna get this box out of this house as soon as possible.
Yes, please.
Okay. So.
What else?
What is that?
Paint?
How could a paint thing be haunted?
Oh my god, that's diarrhea, bro.
What?
Oh my god, close that. Ew.
What the heck? Bro, they sent you diarrhea?
Why is it yellow?
It's like
Yo! Guys, it smells like diarrhea. This is demon vomit. This is demon vomit.
Ew.
What the? You paid $500 for that?
Oh my god.
Oh. What the heck is this?
Why
This
would
is
you pay
gross.
$500 for
I
that?
don't know. This kid is losing his mind.
Yo, this is really crazy. I'm
Why you didn't get an unboxing for like PlayStations, Nintendos and shit?
because that's worth a lot of money. I thought this would be cool, and the viewers have actually been requesting this mystery
You guys
box.
requested this?
Yes. Guys, comment down below and if you guys have been the ones requesting these. So yeah, guys, we're gonna finish this unboxing and
What else is in there?
Is it? You paid $500 for that?
a
cell
phone?
phone.
Oh,
Turn it on. Turn it on.
Turn it on. You turn it on.
No, I'm not gonna tell you. It's
I'll
your
turn
box.
it on.
Okay, turn it on.
How do I turn it on?
Press the
Yeah,
button.
Press the button. The home.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah. Press it.
Oh,
Why?
what
I'm
happened?
electrocuted!
What?
No!
You did?
Yeah. What?
How did that happen?
I'm not. I swear you do it.
Do it.
Do it.
You do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Nothing.
Hurt? No, press it!
Oh,
Oh my god.
that's an iPhone.
I told you, it electrocuted me.
Think I'm stupid? You think I'm gonna press the button?
Yes.
If you got electrocuted, I'm gonna get electrocuted. Guys, they think I'm stupid, guys. Guys are so gullible.
They sent you this.
They
It
try.
has some sort of demon connection.
Look at the flashlight.
Wait.
Stop looking
Wait.
at it.
My belly's giving. My belly.
What?
Guys, you know how paintings have secret messages hidden in them.
Oh. You gotta press it there.
No, press the button.
What if there's a secret message?
Oh, it says something.
Oh, there's a name on.
There's a name.
That's probably that person.
Maybe she's the one that died, and this is all her things.
I mean, these artifacts are coming from a dead person.
It could be her.
It could be
That
her.
was stuck with me.
Forever.
Forever.
On Amazon, on the reviews, it said if you try to get rid of these artifacts, they will reappear where they were last
They're
time.
gonna be with you until you die.
All right, I just want to get to the last item so we can get this video done with, guys.
Please don't give me that phone anymore, please.
Yo,
Why?
What?
Come on, man.
What else could it be?
Why you?
Oh my god.
Are you kidding?
That's the freaking nun.
yo,
No, don't even touch it, Heynelm.
No, he already touched it. That's his for life.
Heynelm, she's
Yo.
stuck with you forever. That's the real doll.
what? Yo, my heart is beating so fast right
And
now.
look at her veins. She has veins in her
She
eyes.
looks exactly
Like,
like the movie. That's the
Oh,
real
like, I
doll.
don't want to stare into her eyes.
You know, you can't keep that. You have to return it.
I don't know. I mean, there's no returns.
What do you mean you
There's
don't
no
know?
return label?
You have to
No, there isn't.
Yeah,
So yeah, guys, this is insane. There's literally a nun.
I don't want that here.
Bro.
I really don't.
Please, we have
I
to
don't know
return
what
that.
to tell you
But don't
guys.
touch it
I'm gonna
anymore.
go
Just
home.
Put it inside the box and like.
Why is the light?
Yo, yo.
Danielle, get the hell out of my house.
Danielle, get
Guys,
out.
I'm sorry.
Leave everything to
He's
me.
got to get out of my house.
I'm leaving with.
Oh.
With the box.
Right, it came back on.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Things are getting really creepy right now.
Yeah, come here. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're
The
ending
light,
it.
the
Oh.
Ah, yo, what the hell?
Go,
Okay,
get out.
All right, all right, I'm gonna leave. Yo, guys, thank you guys so much
I
for
said
watching.
get out.
I'm going, yo, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We're gonna leave Party 4's house right now. The lights just freaking are going off, and they literally only gave us one item. All the other
my
items are still
God,
in there.
bro. Dude, that's so
Literally,
creepy.
Edgar literally burnt the voodoo doll, and I got burnt. So I'm gonna end this video right here, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and so also subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Heynelm Extended. We'll be doing a lot of crazy things there. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, guys. I love you.